Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well, and today we are going to solve the Leetcode problem, the problem number 344, and the angle between hands of a clock. Okay, so I am going to set the time limit of 40 minutes, and let's see whether I am able to solve it or not. You can practice the question or try to solve the problem with me in these 40 minutes. And let's test who will solve first. Okay. So the problem is angle between hands of a clock. Given two numbers, that is hour and minutes, written the smaller angle in degrees found between hour and minute hand. Answer within 10 to the power minus 5 of the actual value will be accepted as correct. What is the meaning of this? So suppose there is a hour as 12 and minutes at 30, then the output is 165. I think this angle is 165, the smaller one. Hour and minutes. Here hour is 3 minutes 30, the angle is 75. Hour 3 minutes 15, angle is 7.5. So we just only have to calculate the angle between hands of a clock. We have to return a double, hour and minutes are given. So what we can use here, if the both hands are in 12, then the angle between them will be 0. If I consider this first example, that is the hour is at 12 and the minutes is 30, that means it is 12 and 30. Can I just do like this? Suppose we will calculate the minutes angle first from this 12. If let's suppose that when the angle is in starting, when there is 12 o'clock, the minute angle will be at 12, and when the minute angle comes to 30, the total angle it covered will be 180 degree. Okay. And this, then we calculate the angle covered by this hour and just subtract that angle, then we will get the closest angle, I think. But in 1 minute how many degrees? First we have to calculate in 1 minute how many degrees. So in 1 minute how many degrees? In 1 minute, okay, I can see in 30 minutes I got 180 degrees. In 15 minutes I will get 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degree in 15, I am getting 90. 15 minute 90 degree. Okay, then in 1 minute we get this kind of minute, that is what, 6 degree. 6 degree. That means in 1 minute we have 6 degrees. Okay. In 1 minute there is 6 degree. What about in 1 minute there is 6 degree? Okay. So can I calculate how much degree the hour hand moves for x minutes? According to me, our handle 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, so we know that 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour means how much rotation the hour hand do? 5 minutes. That means 1 minute 6 degree, and it from go to 12 to 1, it will take nearly 6 5 30 degree overhand. In 1 hour 30 degree goes overhand. That is 60 minute 30 degree movement of overhand. So in 1 minute how much the overhand will move? That is 30 by 60. That is nothing but 0.5 degree. That means in 1 minute the overhand moves for 0.5 degree, and in 60 minutes it moves for 30 degree. Okay. So now I know that in 1 minute the minute hand moves 6 degree, and in 1 minute 6 degrees for minute hand. Okay, and for 1 minute the hour hand moves for this hour hand 0.5 degree. Now as there is, now I can calculate the degree of minute hand. Degree minute hand. Suppose there is 6 degree in 1 minute. We can simply multiply 6 into given minutes. We get the degree minutes. How much the minute hand have moved from 12. Okay. Now I think for degree overhand, as it moves only 0.5 degree for a minute, so I can just multiply 0.5 into given minutes. I think I should do all the calculation in double. Maybe there will be some decimals. Okay. Now I have a degree minute, degree hour. To get the first angle, if I talk about there will be two angle formed. If I take the first angle can be degree minute minus degree hour. Are you sure? The whole degree minute minus degree hour, I will get the angle. Okay, how much you move minus degree hour. And how will I get the second angle? I think this will also be double. Second angle will be what? I just need to subtract with 360 this first angle. Now at the end I have to return the minimum, that is the smallest one. First angle and the second angle. I think I have written the correct. Let's try to test it out. I got wrong. My first guess has been passed. That is this first. But there is a problem in the second. In the second, I got again 165, but the expected is 70. But the expected is 75. Why our answer is wrong here? I think we are calculating from 12. From 12 how much it moved. I think we should not calculate from 12. We should start with the given hour. How much you move, how much you move. What do you think? At 3 it will be at here. The total movement it done is this. Can I have the movement from 3? Then we have to subtract 4 minutes. Yes. How much I need to subtract? To subtract, I think hour and in 1 hour how much minute? $90. Okay. Just I have to multiply 30 in the given hour. 30, are you sure? I think so. What if it is 12? In 12, if I subtract 30 into 3, 90, 30 into 4, 30 into 5, 30 into 6. But when I go to subtract from 30 into 7, 30 into 11, but what is 30 into 12? 360. Except 12 I have to subtract, I think. So let me try this. So before calculating the first angle, if the hour is not equal to 12, then make sure to subtract the degree minute will be the given hour into 30. Let me test it out this. No, there is a problem in this. I got the negative answer. For negative. Okay. So the hour is 3, the hour is 15. What I have done is there might be the case when this result can be negative. So I think I should make this as absolute. Let me test this. I got correct. Let me try to submit it. Hope it will submit fine. I got the wrong answer. Okay. I think I should make first better understand. I think I'm not quite good. I should think some other algorithm, other formula. We only need to calculate the angle between the hour and the minute hand. Okay. So to calculate the angle between minute and hand, we need to Actually, I know the whole angle will be 360. Okay. And we have given the exact hour and minutes. What if I make the 12 as our absolute point and I will calculate the total degree movement of minute hand from the 12 and total degree movement of hour hand from the 12 and then subtract the moment of minute with moment of hour. So. And I can take the absolute value. So if minute is given, then I can simply calculate how much it moves by this formula 6 into minute degrees. Our degree minute calculation is correct. But there is some problem in degree hour, I think. Because in degree hour, I need to calculate from 12. Okay. Okay. So first I have this will give the degree in minutes, how much it moves. But there is additional plus also, how much it moves from the 12. Suppose the hour is given as 3. So how much degree it will add? In 1 hour, the hour hand moves 30 degrees. So in x hour, it will move 13 x, that is hour, and 2 30. This is the total movement of degree hour of the hour hand from the 12. If it is been from 12, then the total movement from the 12. We have to make sure that our is till 11 we can calculate in total degree, but if 12, I think we should not add this hour. So we first make this line with this. And if hour is not 12, we can simply do not in degree hour, we add hour into 30. Okay. Then the first angle will be absolute of degree minute minus degree hour. No matter how that it will be done. What if there is 11:55? 11 will be here, 55 will be here. Minute and hour will be but 11 hour, total position, total position, hour and total position, minute and then no need for absolute, I think, here. I think this will work. Why this is running here? Can you run at this position? Add right here. Okay. So solution. Let me submit it. Yeah, it has been submitted successfully. And I have just solved the question in near about 20 minutes. The question is easy, but we just have to make sure that what calculations, formulas, how much degrees in 1 minute and 1 hour, and take everything very carefully. Okay. So let's meet in a challenge where I will challenge myself that whether I'm able to solve the question in that particular time or not. I